The other thing we just talked about really briefly last time was the extent to which the KRI crosswalks with the DRDP. And I have handouts here of that crosswalk. Do you mind passing them around, actually? Just take one and pass. Thank you so much. And this crosswalk, I would keep it in front of you. And as Michelle is sharing, and as Devlin is sharing, I'd like you to think about this question as you're actively listening, but also thinking. How do we as early educators impact the outcomes that we see on the board in relation to how once they leave you and go to kindergarten, how those kindergartners perform on the KRI? So I think there's just a tool to help you reflect as you're listening. Okay.
Can you explain DRDP, please?
Sure. Yep. So the Kindergarten Readiness Inventory looks at children's skills as they arrive in kindergarten, but the DRDP is actually, I would love a teacher to answer this question. Merced, do you mind answering? Because you'll do a better job. Do you mind, Merced? I have the mic.
I forgot, but it's the desired result development appropriate profile. Yes. So that is that we use that for infant and toddlers. There is infant and toddlers and there is a preschool. But right now, I don't know if you're aware that they launched in the DRDPR 2025, which is completely a little different from what this is. But this is the way we rate as a teacher. We do the observations and then we do the assessments follow on the DRDPR and then to make the right assessment and what level they are. Their levels are like immersion, development, intermediate, something like that. So it depends on the age of the children, depends quite age and development, because they can be 4, but they're still on the 18 to 24 months cognitive. So we had to look through that too when we do the development of the assessment through the DRDPR. But I know that also the school district use the special education DRDPR, because I learned that when I took the special ed programs. They use different DRDPR, which in the early childhood education, we use the regular DRDPR.
Super. Thank you, Merced. That's really helpful. So as Merced explained, the DRDP is an assessment similar to the way that a kindergarten readiness inventory is an assessment. And they're aligned, and it's not by accident. It was designed that way, as Minu shared last time.